s Kačenkou poděkovat našim rodičům za to, co pro nás odvedli, provedli, za jejich pokoru, svatou trpělivost a za to vám děkujeme. Jak Borovičkovi, tak Zářečtí. Moc si to vážíme, ale největší poděkování patří rodičům Katky, protože mě dali Kačenku. Já vám za to, Petře, Jano, moc děkuji, vážím si toho a slibuju, že budu se o ní starat minimálně tak dobře jako vy. Děkuji.
Just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Forever we will grow. Deep within your eyes, I found a home. The love that we share can never grow. In your gaze, the world looks bright, forever by your side. This town is quiet, serene and wide. You keep me warm and safe at night. No matter the season, we always bloom, 'cause you light up the gloom. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow.
Fast waves